Hi, Francisco's Automotive. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you live in the city of Huntington Beach, you have a Cadillac, and you need help on the Cadillac. Cadillac is a division of General Motors. General Motors, Chevy, Cadillac, Buick, they're all one big family. Cadillac has always been the comfort car. They're the leaders. They've been around forever. And before Lexus, BMW, Mercedes even thought about building a comfort car, Cadillac was already way ahead of them. Beautiful machine. It has always been a beautiful machine, and it has always been a very, very, very comfortable. But before we continue to talk about Cadillac or General Motors, let me show you my garden. This is my garden. It gives me peace. I'm here 12 hours a day, sometimes longer. I get here 6:30 in the morning to 6 o'clock at night. And I'd sit here, and this gives me peace. I love my garden. It gives me a lot of peace. But now let's talk about General Motors. General Motors has been the leader of technology right along. They've been around, like I said, forever, the 40s, the 50s. They made some beautiful machines. Now, General Motors and Cadillac, I've been working on them since the 80s. I used to be a German mechanic from 75 to 85. I worked at a German shop in 78. I became the general manager. And in the early 80s, I saw the need for American cars. In Huntington Beach, nobody was working on them. Everybody was working on Volkswagen, some BMW, Mercedes, but everybody was driving a Volkswagen. The American cars, they were coming. They were coming. They've always been around, but not here in Huntington Beach. So I decided to start working on American cars. Most people were scared of them. I specialize in electrical because I worked at a Volkswagen shop. Volkswagen mass-produced fuel injections in the 60s, and you could not work on fuel injection without knowing electrical. So I started specializing in electrical. Now, let's talk a little bit about electrical. This is a scanner that Cadillac has used in the 90s. And that's my scanner, but it's the same identical computer. Cadillac, General Motors, and this scanner was the one they used. And then they evolved to the Tech 2. The Tech 2 was a little more advanced. I think it came around the early 2000s. And then they went into the laptop. Laptop is cloud-based technology. Now, even on the newer cars, in 2013, they started going to laptop information in the cloud. I don't even know which cloud holds the Cadillac information. I tried to figure it out, but I couldn't. When I figured it out, I put a video out on it, or how they do it. Them clouds, they move around, but the technology is always there for me. So now, I can give people all the proper equipment, but if I don't give them the training, what good does it do? So, all my guys, when I hire them, they're either no electrical, or I send them to school 3 years at to Golden West College. So, and I give them evening classes once a month, 4-hour classes. I got 2-3 day classes. I pay for the classes, and I pay them to go to school. I have a fear that I train a guy and he leaves me, and it's overcome by a bigger fear that I don't train him and he stays, so everybody gets trained back there. Why should you come to Francisco's Automotive? Maybe because I give you a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. Maybe because I hand wash the vehicles. Maybe because I give you a ride home and pick you up. If I keep your car overnight, for any reason whatsoever, I will rent your car for 1 day. These are some of the benefits of coming to Francisco's Automotive. So, any questions you have? Another benefit is I'm writing a book on how to buy a car. You're going to buy a car, you're going to sell the car, call me. Bring it by. I'll give you a free test drive on any car that you're going to buy. A couple of hints. You're going to teach one of your kids or one of the grandkids how to drive a car. Take them in a parking lot. Make them do figure 8 backwards. and teach them how to handle the vehicle going backwards. And then make them go forwards, whoop, whoop, back and forth, how to handle their vehicle. So when they do get out on the street, they can handle their vehicle a little bit better. Most accidents happen going backwards. Now, again, I have the equipment, I have the knowledge, I have the support system. The support system, I have multiple support systems online. A lot of my friends own shops. We talk to each other. We do things together. Now, I can fix anything except broken hearts. I got 3 daughters. I know that. I learned that from a friend of mine, Scotty. How you doing, Scotty, if you're watching this? So this is my shop. It goes all the way to the back. In the back, I have 2 big lifts, and then I have capability to work on the back. And what we do is, we do have 2 15,000-pound hoists in the back. If you own a plumber truck, electrical truck, if you own anything like that, I get you in and out quickly. So call us with any of your questions, 714-375-2661. Remember, if you own a company truck and you want it in and out, I know you make your living with that truck. I get you in and out, I put you in front of the line, because a lot of my other clients that own a Cadillac or anything like that, I will rent them a car if I have to. But when you got a work truck, I cannot rent it for you. Again, call us with any of your questions, 714-375-2661. Thank you for watching the video.